Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant mood boost? That's the power of good design. With spring around the corner, now is the perfect time to refresh your home and bring in an uplifting, joyful energy without needing a total makeover. From fresh florals to sentimental touches, there are easy ways to breathe life into your space without breaking the bank. Stick around as we reveal simple yet powerful tweaks to transform your home into a cheerful sanctuary. And if you love home decor inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more creative ideas. Flowers and greenery are nature's way of bringing instant joy into a space. A fresh bouquet on your dining table or a collection of vibrant stems in a rustic vase can instantly uplift the mood of a room. The key is to choose blooms that complement your home's color palette. Soft pastels for a serene look or bold, bright florals for an energetic feel. If fresh flowers aren't always an option, opt for dried arrangements like pampas grass or eucalyptus, which add texture and last much longer. Houseplants also do wonders in making a space feel lively. A large fiddle leaf fig in the corner or a simple pothose trailing down a shelf brings natural beauty and a sense of calm. To maximize their impact, place flowers and greenery in key visual spots, on coffee tables, kitchen counters, or bedside tables, to create a focal point of freshness. Play with different vase styles, from sleek modern ceramics to charming vintage glass, to match your decor. Even if you're short on space, small touches like a mini potted succulent on a desk or a herb garden by the kitchen window can bring warmth and vibrancy. Greenery isn't just about aesthetics. It improves air quality, reduces stress, and fosters a sense of well-being. So, whether it's a fresh bouquet, lush houseplants, or even faux florals for a low-maintenance option, embracing natural elements is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to cheer up your home. A home isn't just about beautiful furniture and trendy decor. It's about the stories and memories that make it uniquely yours. Sentimental touches like framed family photos, handwritten letters, or cherished heirlooms add warmth and personal connection to your space. Instead of cluttering shelves with random decor, be intentional with the placement of meaningful objects. Create a gallery wall featuring your favorite memories or a pinboard where you can display handwritten notes, postcards, and small keepsakes. If you love to travel, showcase souvenirs that remind you of special moments. The goal is to surround yourself with elements that evoke happiness, nostalgia, and a sense of belonging. To keep things fresh and engaging, consider rotating sentimental decor every few months. For example, swap out framed photographs seasonally or refresh a memory shelf with different personal objects. Incorporating sentimental pieces into your decor doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's about blending meaning with aesthetics. Use sleek, matching frames for a modern look or opt for mismatched vintage ones for a more eclectic feel. Even simple touches, like placing a loved one's favorite book on display or styling a meaningful gift in your living space, can bring a sense of warmth. These thoughtful details turn a house into a home, making it a reflection of your journey, experiences, and the people you love. There's no better way to brighten up a home, both literally and figuratively, than by embracing natural light. Sunlight makes any space feel larger, airier, and more inviting, while also improving mood and boosting energy levels. Start by evaluating your windows and ensuring they're not obstructed by heavy furniture or dark curtains. Opt for sheer drapes or light-filtering blinds that allow sunlight to flow freely. If privacy is a concern, consider layering sheer curtains with light, neutral blackout panels to maintain flexibility between openness and coziness. Mirrors are another simple trick. Placing them opposite windows reflects light throughout the space, making rooms feel brighter and more expansive. If your home has limited natural light, focus on enhancing what's available. Keep walls and ceilings painted in light, reflective colors like white, soft beige, or pale pastels to make the most of any daylight. Strategically positioning furniture to face the light source, such as a cozy reading nook by the window, creates inviting spots that maximize brightness. Incorporating glass or metallic decor elements, such as mirrored coffee tables or glossy picture frames, can also help light bounce around the room. And for evenings, layer warm lighting with table lamps, sconces, and fairy lights to create a soft, glowing ambience. The right lighting setup transforms a dull, lifeless space into a warm, cheerful sanctuary. A beautiful home is nothing without comfort, and the best spaces are those that feel like a warm embrace the moment you walk in. Soft textures and cozy elements are essential in creating an inviting atmosphere. Start by layering plush throw blankets over sofas or reading chairs, and adding oversized cushions in different fabrics for depth and warmth. Rugs also play a key role. Whether it's a thick, fluffy area rug in the living room or a soft runner by the bed, they bring instant coziness. Choose furniture that invites relaxation, like a deep-seated sectional, a stylish recliner, or a cushioned bench by the window for peaceful moments of rest. Beyond soft furnishings, scent and sound contribute to a home's comfort. Light a scented candle or use an essential oil diffuser with calming fragrances like lavender, vanilla, or sandalwood to create a serene ambience. Play soft background music or nature sounds to enhance the tranquil mood. The goal is to make every corner of your home a stress-free retreat. Whether it's a bedroom designed for ultimate relaxation, reading nook with a cozy lamp, or a lounge space that encourages long, meaningful conversations. When comfort is prioritized, your home transforms into a personal sanctuary where you can truly unwind and feel at peace. The way a home smells has a powerful effect on mood and emotions. Scents can instantly transport you to a happy memory, calm your mind, or energize your space. Start by identifying the kind of atmosphere you want to create. Citrus and herbal scents like lemon and eucalyptus bring freshness and energy, while warm notes like vanilla, sandalwood, and cinnamon evoke coziness and relaxation. Using candles, essential oil diffusers, or incense sticks can infuse your space with these comforting aromas. For a more natural approach, fresh flowers, dried lavender sachets, or simmering a pot of cinnamon and citrus peels on the stove can create a soothing and inviting scent throughout your home. Beyond scents, ambience plays a crucial role in making a home feel welcoming. Soft, warm lighting, like dimmable table lamps, string lights, or Himalayan salt lamps, helps create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Music also adds another sensory layer to your space. A gentle jazz playlist, nature sounds, or classical melodies in the background can enhance the overall mood of a room. Don't forget texture. Plush blankets, velvet cushions, and soft rugs add a tactile element that makes a space feel inviting. When all senses, sight, smell, touch, and sound, work together, your home transforms into a multi-sensory sanctuary, bringing both comfort and joy. A home should be a reflection of your personality, lifestyle, and what makes you truly happy. While trends come and go, personal style is what makes a space feel authentic and meaningful. Start by incorporating colors that evoke joy, whether it's a soft pastel wall, a bold accent chair, or vibrant artwork that speaks to your personality. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles to create a unique, layered look. Whether you love minimalism, vintage charm, or eclectic design, your home should tell your story. Fill it with objects that inspire you, from travel souvenirs to books, art pieces, or handmade crafts that hold sentimental value. Functionality is just as important as aesthetics. Design your space to work for your daily routine. Create a cozy reading nook if you love books, set up an inspiring workspace if you work from home, or carve out a meditation corner for relaxation. Rearranging furniture to suit your needs can make your home more efficient and enjoyable. The goal is to craft a space where you feel at ease and connected. Your home isn't just a place you live in. It's a place that supports your happiness, fosters creativity, and provides comfort. When you embrace what truly brings you joy, your home will always feel like the perfect retreat.